Good morning, friends. Spirit says that we need to take a step out of the situation and then we will be able to see more clearly. What areas of your life are you avoiding? Are they causing you upset, worry, disrupted sleep? If so, these are the areas that you need to focus on as much as you don't want to. It is necessary to tackle your demons head on. Don't allow them to rule your life for a second longer. This is your life. Whether it be physical or mental, we must deal with our lives on our own from within us. And we must look for stability in our lives and take charge of situations, make plans for ourselves. They say that a mystical revelation is going to bring you clarity and you must release the past. You will grow from this situation. Time heals all wounds. You must have heard that before in your life. Take a leap of faith and move forward with your life. They say you can get excited for your life. There's good energy around you, and miracles are endless. Stay positive as you move forward. They say instead of pushing yourself so hard, stop, breathe, and reevaluate. You are doing enough, even if it doesn't feel like it. Don't wear yourself out to the point of exhaustion. It is not worth it. Balance yourself and your time wisely. It's a time of happiness and well being. Um, there are lots of endings taking place in the world, but you are growing spiritually and you're receiving insight from the heavens. You are going to have a powerful ally enter into your life that's going to help you, and your worry is unnecessary. Let go of feelings of regret, guilt, and worry to your angels. Let them deal with it so you can deal with your life. You're going to get some very good news coming your way, and this is going to give you peace of mind and contentment. It's time to work with other people and turn your knowledge into wisdom. There are new beginnings, and it's an opportune time for you to rise above the ashes, stronger and more determined. Reach for the stars. You deserve only the best. Have a